In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a real estate investor that has generated 113 leads in the last 30 days. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek here. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel here, please subscribe for more great videos like this one. Now let's dive into this campaign. As I mentioned, we're going to be reviewing this from a 30-day window. This particular campaign has a set budget of $750 per day. As we mentioned, we're focusing on a nationwide here on the campaign. It has had 1,257 clicks, has a conversion rate of 9%, 113 conversions, and then it has a cost per lead of $112.16 with a total 30-day cost of $12,673.78. So on this campaign, we're focused on lead gen form, and then we're also focused on calls. So once the consumer reaches the page, they have the option to fill out that lead form, name, email address, phone number, and then they also have the option to touch to dial on their mobile device or call the number that's on the page from a landline, and then all those phone calls track back into this campaign. So let's take a look at the ad groups on this campaign. Okay, so here are the ad groups. We have We Buy Houses, companies that buy houses, We Buy Any House, We Buy Ugly Houses, the brand, We Buy Houses, We Buy Homes, Buy My House Fast, Buy My House Fast Home Buyers. So in each one of these ad groups, we have both the keywords and then the ad categorized. So for instance, this is a great example. We buy ugly houses. So inside of this ad group, we have all of the We Buy Ugly Houses or anything that's very, very similar to that keyword related is inside of this ad group and is only inside of that ad group. So, and then that same verbiage is then communicated down on the actual ad itself. Whenever the consumer searches for that, they're then presented with the similar ad or the same verbiage from the ad. And on this campaign, we currently have a target CPA of $210.51 set. Let's take a look at the keywords. So here are the keywords we're using: companies that buy houses, We Buy Houses, We Buy Any House, We Buy Houses for Cash, We Buy Homes, and then we're using both phrase match and exact match. So phrase match basically means that for whatever term that the consumer searches for, companies that buy houses, this will pop up. This has to be inside of what they search for, and then it shows the ad to them. Otherwise, it would not. So, and then exact match means that We Buy Ugly Houses. This term pretty much has to be exactly like that formatted in order for the ad to show up. So if you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this one for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link down in the description below. It just takes a few minutes. It's very easy. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.